Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Ethiopia looking to bolster investments in resources and mining. And COVID-19 is an important catalyst for hydrogen economy's takeoff. With an abundance of natural resources that have not been significantly exploited, Ethiopia has enormous potential for the export of these resources at a relatively low production cost.
Ethiopia is a true African giant at the dawn of a new renaissance. Our country's story and opportunity we present for mining companies is truly remarkable. We have been actively pursuing a number of reforms designed to attract and safeguard intensive long-term capital investment in our nation. We have set ambitious targets for our economy, which we are achieving. Investments in infrastructure and the interest today being shown by investors in our burgeoning mining sector are testimony to this. We are reducing barriers to investment and attracting new investment into productive sectors of our economy. We are setting targets high and achieving them. Our national leadership is being recognized globally.
Despite being a global pandemic with hugely negative health consequences, COVID-19 is an important catalyst for the takeoff of the hydrogen economy, in which platinum plays a fundamental role.
Despite COVID-19 being a global pandemic with hugely negative health consequences, I actually think it's an important catalyst for the hydrogen economy to take off. You've seen the news out of Germany last week and how they are interested in supporting sort of new green technologies, which specifically includes hydrogen. And increasingly, you're seeing a number of other countries sort of mention this as part of their plans and part of their stimulus spending. So I actually think there's a really interesting opportunity now to catalyze on a new wave of interest in hydrogen. I would say, answer your question, I always think of it as a matter of where, not when. So, where does it make the most sense for hydrogen to take a meaningful stake in a meaningful, advancement? And I think that we're starting to see more and more examples of those in heavy-duty applications, trains, trucks, buses, ships. There's a number of examples of those emerging. And then where it works incredibly well is also in return to base fleets. So starting with some taxi fleets, but particularly larger vehicle fleets. So I think we'll start to see the where being on the applications where it's most suited, and also in the geographies that are going to be most advanced in supporting hydrogen and new green technologies.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.